hold up. It's the microwave cookie. I'll put that in the description if you want to make it yourself. You know, gotta have that. I'm gonna make it in this mug. It's probably gonna overflow, but I mean, we'll see. Alright, well, I've never actually like talked to the camera, and I get like really awkward when I actually talk to the camera, because usually I'm just singing to the camera, not doing much. But for this recipe, you'll need flour, baking powder, sugar, peanut butter, and milk, and chocolate chips, of course. So I'm just gonna get started. Whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna do 4 tablespoons of flour. Should I just tell a story? Should I tell a story? Okay, well, I'm not really good at telling stories. I have 0 funny stories, and I can barely talk to the camera. I'll think of one. Hold on. Okay, so my shirt is marching band, because you know, we love that. Love marching band. It's my favorite thing in the world. So my neighbor always drives me to marching band because she's also in marching band. And one night we were driving home, and we had our windows down. She had this sunroof open, whatever it's called, and there's a man running by apparently, and neither of us saw him. And I guess the car lights didn't reflect off of his reflectors, and so like he's just running, and we have the windows down, and we both screamed because we didn't know he was there. So then he just heard us scream, and that was kind of awkward. And every night after that, we were like hoping that we weren't gonna see another person. So that's great. Peanut butter. She wears all black, apparently. Fiscal girls. Oh my god. 2 tablespoons. I should probably get a spoon. I don't have any stories. I'm like so dumb. I don't have anything else for this video. I really like, oh, my iPad just turned off. Alright, well, I guess I'm not looking at that for other references for the recipe. Any like, you know, Dodie fans out there, 21 Pilots people, because she came out with a song, Boys Like You, and that's pretty cool. Kind of remind me of Ben Platt's Grow As We Go, the dance moves anyway, like, yes, oh shoot. Why do we need peanut butter? I don't like peanut butter in here. Okay, well, enough that. You're so lovely, I can't help but fall for you, love, when you love me. 1/4 milk, what does that mean? Lovely, lovely. Oh shoot. Well, I guess I just did that. Alright, not what I wanted to do. You know, I did it anyway. I will just come over to your house and like bake you something, because I think I'm like a fantastic chef. It says 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Yeah, I'm just gonna add more or less. I can't tell. It's so lovely loving you. Oh. I don't know, bro. You know, it looked good when on that screen, but alright. Should I harmonize with the microwave? Wait. I was not really harmonizing, but you know what, whatever. Feel the way. This is not pretty. Whatever's in the microwave is not as pretty as what's on this M's Kitchen page. Okay, so this is the finishing. Okay, well, this is what it looks like. It's pretty good, actually. Like for sleepovers and stuff, y'all could just like make your own mug cake. But I don't have sleepovers. I don't have friends. No, I'm kidding. I do. I have a lot of wonderful friends, and I also still need to make that friends reel. So, yeah. I mean, I hope you enjoyed this video of me being awkward as heck. But you know, hopefully it'll get better. So bye bye.